Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and set up a management Airbnb account. Now this is different from the host account, but what you need to first do is actually create a host account, right? So I'll go ahead and switch to the hosting section. And once we have the host account, we will add some details to get my management Airbnb account. So what I'll do to upgrade this, you come here, click on your profile icon, and then all you need to do is come here and click on account. Okay. And it will redirect you to this page. Scroll down. What I want you to do is click on professional hosting tools. Now we're adding our company details. Okay. So if we are having listings at scale, we can go ahead and do this, right? This is our management Airbnb account. So click on manage. So first we need to click on use professional tools. Okay. And there we go. We are now using professional tools. So what I will do now, and then on this page, you'll be able to add your different business details, right? Your business name, your trade register number, VAT number, the business street address, whatever your flat suit building is, city, state, or county, postcode, country. If you have a business email address, you can add that as well. Your legal representatives, and then you just come here and click on save your business details. It's really that easy and simple.